All right, guys, so we are here today with the Battle of the Goliaths. Carlos versus S.K.A.T.E, manual game of skate.
Yeah, right.
I cannot wait for this. This is just so exciting. Gabe's like giggling like a schoolgirl. Ow! I did a frontside 180 down that and my whole back went, so then they were like, do manuals. And I was like, no, okay. Dang it.
Carlos
That's
is
the end of the game. I don't know who built this, but the construction is just subpar. Fun fact is when I first met Carlos, it was at Manny Mania. I believe you won that Manny Mania, right? He qualified.
Yeah. Back. Oh, sorry, dude.
It's okay. That's a very uncommon Aaron trick. I almost fell 30 times.
I'd never think to do that trick. It's harder than I thought.
That touch?
I think we're counting that.
Yeah, there was no touch. Oh no. Threw my hip out of place.
Shuffleboard.
Dude, you just slid so
I
far.
did slay the whole thing. That's awesome.
Fun.
We gotta do like a hard trick for the end.
Yeah.
Oh, what? Good thing Fetty's not here. He probably would have made me rebate that.
That was good.
Oh, hey, Fetty.
Oh, hey. That was good. That was good. Betty said good. It's good.
That's why he's the master of manuals. Come on there.
Woo!
Manual master.
Went from,
Came back out of nowhere.
oh my
So
gosh.
yeah, see, just pick your battles right. You can always win the war.
That was fun.
That was it, say.
Oh, scary. Well, we did some skateboarding today. That's good.
Dude, you pulled out some, that
last
backside
one
flip was
that
very
last one was gnarly,
unexpected.
dude.
You think so?
I mean, it's just been a while since I've seen you skate, so.
Don't question this guy ever. Guys. He kills it always, so keep that in mind. This guy is really good.
Thank you, 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 and thank you. And we want you guys to learn how to skateboard, so you guys can click right here and watch all these other cool videos. A lot of them will teach you how to skateboard. And you can go right here for BrailleSkateboarding.com, where you can have everything skateboard related, meaning a skateboard, how to skateboard videos, and the big thing that we're trying to push right now is teaching you guys, specifically new people starting to skateboard, or if you're already skateboarding, progress in your skating, have fun like we do. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. You guys are the absolute best.